Hello, students. Welcome back to BioDecode, where biology is decoded into simple, meaningful concepts. This is your trusted audio guide for learning biology in a smart, clear, and exam-oriented way. You're listening to the NCERT Class 11 Biology Audiobook, Chapter 7, Structural Organization in Animals Exercise Solutions. If you haven't yet listened to the full Chapter 7 audiobook, we strongly recommend starting there first. That episode explains the complete structural organization in animals, from levels of organization and tissue types to organ systems, with special focus on the frog as a representative vertebrate. In this episode, we will solve the NCERT exercise questions of Chapter 7 presented in a clear, concise, and examination-ready format. Each answer is structured to help you visualize diagrams, recall key points, and write precise answers in exams. So, plug in your earphones, focus your attention, and let us begin decoding the structural organization of animals. This is BioDecode, and you're listening to Chapter 7, Structural Organization in Animals, Exercise Solutions. Question 1. Draw a neat diagram of the digestive system of a frog. Answer. The digestive system of a frog is a well-developed organ system adapted for a carnivorous mode of nutrition. It consists of the alimentary canal and associated digestive glands. The alimentary canal begins with the mouth, which opens into the buccopharyngeal cavity. This cavity leads into a short esophagus, which opens into the stomach. The stomach is a muscular curved structure where partial digestion of food occurs with the help of gastric juices. From the stomach, food passes into the small intestine, which is differentiated into the duodenum and ileum. The duodenum receives secretions from the liver and pancreas, which play an important role in digestion. The ileum is the longest part of the alimentary canal and is the main site of digestion and absorption of nutrients. The small intestine opens into the large intestine or rectum, which leads into a common chamber called a cloaca. The cloaca opens to the outside through the cloacal aperture. Associated digestive glands include liver, which secretes bile and stores it in the gallbladder; pancreas, which secretes digestive enzymes. Diagram description. The diagram of the frog's digestive system shows the esophagus opening into the stomach, followed by a coiled intestine. The liver appears as a large lobed organ above the stomach, with a gallbladder attached to it. The intestine ends in the rectum, which opens into the cloaca. Now that we have visualized the digestive system of frog, let us move to the second question, which focuses on the excretory function in frogs. Question 2. Mention the function of the ureters in frog. Answer. In frogs, the ureters are slender tubes that rise from the kidneys and perform an important role in an excretion. The primary function of the ureters is to transport urine from the kidneys to the cloaca. In male frogs, the ureters are known as urinogenital ducts because they perform a dual function. First, they carry urine from the kidneys. Second, they also transport sperms during the breeding season. In female frogs, the ureters function only as urinary ducts and carry urine to the cloaca. The reproductive products in females are transported through oviducts, not ureters. Thus, the ureters in frogs serve as essential conduits for the removal of nitrogenous waste, helping maintain internal balance. Here are 10 more important and thought-provoking questions from Structural Organization of Animals. Questions that often appear in exams and test your conceptual clarity at a deeper level. Take a few moments to reflect on them and try answering in the comments section below. Your participation not only reinforces your learning, but also helps other students who are preparing alongside you. And if you'd like the next audiobook to include detailed explanations for these additional questions, let me know in the comments. Your feedback shapes the upcoming lessons in this series. You've now completed the NCERT exercise solutions for Chapter 7, Structural Organization in Animals, here on BioDecode. In this session, we reinforced The digestive system of frog through diagrammatic understanding. The excretory role of ureters, with clear differentiation between male and female frogs. These concepts are frequently asked in board exams, viva voce and NEET-UG, so make sure you revise them along with diagrams. If this audiobook helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BioDecode for more NCERT audiobooks, quick revisions, and concept-based explanations. Stay tuned for the next audio lecture in this series. Until then, keep learning, keep revising, and keep decoding biology. See you in the next audio.